Hi, I'm Dr. Sasha Blissett with Inland Naturopathic Wellness Center, where we help women uncover the root cause of hormone imbalances and thrive through midlife. Feel like your body is changing, but your doctor says everything's normal? It could be perimenopause. And no, you're not going crazy. Perimenopause is the natural transition phase between menopause, and it can start as early as in your 30s or 40s. Your hormones, especially estrogen and progesterone, start to fluctuate, and that can cause a roller coaster of symptoms, such as mood swings, weight gain, sleep issues, anxiety, brain fog, and periods that are totally unpredictable. This phase can last from 2 years to 10 years, and it often gets misdiagnosed or completely ignored. But here's the thing, you don't have to suffer through it. There are naturally effective ways to rebalance your hormones and feel like yourself again. If any of this sounds familiar, click the link below to schedule your discovery call with us.